Hey, I'm Sasha Evdokov, and in this video, I want to share with you the advantages and the disadvantages behind being a day trader. Now, if you want to trade stocks and you're looking to become a day trader, it's important to understand what you're getting yourself into and the advantages and the disadvantages. So in case you want to change and maybe become a swing trader, then you'll at least know the reason behind it. So first off, a day trader is someone that holds a stock or position less than a day, which is 6.5 hours, since the trading day lasts 6.5 hours. So you could hold it for 20 minutes, you could hold it for an hour, you could hold it for 5 hours. It's totally up to you. You could hold it for a minute. It doesn't matter, but it's less than a full day. So that's what a day trader is, and that's what they do. Whereas a swing trader holds a position for multiple days, 2-3 days, a week, a month, for a longer term position. So first off, let's talk about some of the advantages behind being a day trader. So advantage number one is that a day trader has no overnight risk on gaps or earnings because you're 100% cash by the end of the day. The second thing is that your earnings compound faster. So if you're making money every single day, you're able to use the money that you made from the previous day to put into the next trading day. So it allows you to really accelerate your compounding earnings time and time again. This is one of the great attractions to people for day trading, is because it's kind of like quick money. Now, also behind day trading, there's more excitement. This is typically an emotional state, and a lot of novice traders are really attracted to day trading because they get to see their account fluctuate up and down, and you get really emotionally tied to it. So it's like, wow, my profit's going up, or wow, this really sucks, my profit's going down. So there's that rush of emotions that's happening. But again, like I said, that's typically for novice or beginners, and it's not a good way to be if you're looking to trade. Now, the next thing is also that there's interest on overnight cash balance positions with certain brokers. So if you're able to be in cash by the end of the day, you'll earn some interest with certain places. Not all of them, but I think most of them do that nowadays. So those are some of the advantages behind day trading. Now, you may want to be a day trader and you may like those types of advantages, and that just might fit your personality, but for other people it may not work. So there are disadvantages to being a day trader, and some of them include things such as the support and resistance areas just really suck. They're not very well developed, such as things that are looking on the daily chart or even the weekly chart. They're a lot less supportive, and there's a lot less resistance in the looking at day trading areas or levels. Also, a lot of the day trading action that happens is much more computer algorithmic, or you can think of high frequency trading. So again, you're kind of trading against the machines, and you have to be really careful when you're doing that, because machines will always outwin, because their trigger response is much faster. They're able to get in and out of positions much quicker, and they're only looking to make a couple of micro cents on their trade or positions, where for you it just might not be worth it. But if they're doing it thousands of times, for the machines, it's worth it for the company that owns that machine. So in addition to that, it can be more stressful, since you have to be more alert and aware of your position each and every single day. This can really put a drain on you mentally. You'll also miss out on overnight gap ups if the stock starts climbing higher and higher every single day if you're a day trader, because a stock that continues to run higher will gap up time and time again until it proves otherwise. In addition, the market hours just don't work for everyone when you're day trading. Sometimes you can't be watching the markets or being so alert just because you might have a regular job and something that you might have to go in and do every single day. You'll have more commissions and expenses because you're getting in and out of positions much more frequently. So your expenses tend to add up much more rapidly if you're a day trader. And finally, there's the pattern day trade rule that you have to be careful of. If you're trading frequently and you have less than $25,000, these annoying regulations are in place to kind of help you out, but it could be annoying to the fact that you might not be able to trade so often, since you have to get in and get out of the position within that single day. So those are some of the advantages and disadvantages behind being a day trader. Again, I think it's based on the personality type along with the market conditions if you're a day trader or if you're a swing trader. With a day trader, you're in it for the day and you're out. Maybe you want to close out your day and have the rest of your evening to just relax with your family, and you don't want to be stressed or think about your stocks at all. Whereas for a swing trading position, you might think about it in terms of a longer term position. And if it's a longer term position, if the stock dips, you may think, okay, I'm not as stressed because I'm in it for the long haul. Whatever mindset works for you, use that and use it to your advantage. But that's kind of the advantages and disadvantages to being a day trader. Now, which one is better? Which one makes more money? It's going to depend on the trader, the style, and the system. But pretty much know and understand the advantages and disadvantages behind being a day trader. So that way you can make a rational decision of what's going to work for you and which style of trading you're attracted to. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Sasha Evdokov, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to take your trading to that next level and you want to learn faster than you've ever learned before, check out some of my courses on my website at tradersfly.com. And if you'd like to get recaps on exactly the stocks I'm watching today in this market conditions, then just go ahead, sign up to my newsletter list right here. And when you're on it, you'll get notified when I release new market recaps. Thanks again, and remember to do what you love, contribute to others, and most importantly, go out and live life abundantly. Do it. See you next time.